Hello friends, welcome to Pursuit of Physics channel, and in this video we'll discuss about UPSC Geophysics paper 2021, and this is the continuation series. And in this video we'll discuss the geophysical prospecting question. There was 18 question asked from the geophysical prospecting, so we'll discuss all these question. So first question says about that a wave of 1 MHz is propagating in a sea water having attenuation coefficient is 0.1258. How far does this wave will propagate before it's attenuated to 50% of its original intensity? So it is same like the radioactivity problem. So if you know that 50%, they are saying that, so lambda is the attenuation constant, lambda x equal to ln I0 by I. So here lambda is given, you have to find, so this is the 50%, means it is the ln2, and you have to find the x equal to ln2 by lambda is given is, so 0.693 by 0.1258, and if you did that it will be give 5.5 meter. What is the nature of magnetotelluric field? So magnetotelluric field, it is the plane polarized light, but here plane is wave is mentioned. So I am not sure about this answer, so I will not answer it. The next question is the magnetotelluric sounding utilize the long period of electromagnetic signal of range 10 to 1000 second. So this also question is little bit so you can, whatever magnetotelluric, it's confined to the crust and upper part of mantle. We can't get, so if you want to get signal from the lower mantle and the core, so there is a time period, means time period is very long, it's maybe 1-2 days or 3 days. So they are mentioned 10 second to 1000 seconds. So in this time period it can be get only crust to and upper mantle. Next is free, so 74 question is the free fluid index FFI of a rock formation is estimated using, so it is using the NMR log, nuclear magnetic resonance log is used, free fluid index. So free fluid index we use the NMR log. Next question is the satellite laser ranging and very long baseline interferometer allow expectationally accurate measurement of the distance between, so GPS system use this thing, so you can measure the distance between 2 points on the 2 stations of Earth. So B option will be correct. Next is the input and of the digital signal. So input and input related to the output, yt equal to t into xt. So this is the linear. So this is the linear type of digital signal. So it is very linear. Next is let x1t, so 78 question, let x1t and x2t to be two periodic signal with fundamental period t1 and t2 respectively. For x1t plus x2t, so x1t plus x2t, what will be the period, and which one of the following should be in rational number? So rational number, it should be, means t1 by t2 should be integer. So the x1 plus x2t will be, so period will be in option C. Next question is the which one not application of the Hilbert transform digital signal processing. So in Hilbert transform, if you read that, Hilbert transform is the linear time invariant. So all these options are there given there. Automatic gain control, this can use time difference of the arrival of measurement. So Hilbert transform is the time invariant linear transform. So option B will be not correct, and other all are Hilbert transform can be used. Next is the which of the following condition make digital signal processing beneficial over analog signal processing. So flexibility, accuracy and storage, so all are the benefit. So option D will be correct. Which one of the condition for a signal represent the Fourier series? So Fourier series, you know that Dirichlet condition is the, you have to satisfy Dirichlet condition. So option A will be the correct one. Next is Fourier transform of the Gaussian function. So if you did that Gaussian function, so signal will be wider. Next is this is the simply Fourier series. Fourier series, if you find that A0, AN and BN, you will get it. So answer will be pi by 4. Next is the cosine transform of the, so cosine transform of the, so here you should not use, sometime you use 1 by root 2 pi, but so cosine transform of a function is the fx cos omega x dx. So this is the cosine transform. If you put all this value, you will find that, so cos will be sine omega a in the range 0 to a, otherwise it is 0, k sine omega a by omega. D will be answer will be correct. Next question is the autocorrelation function of a complex valued signal exhibit the conjugate property. Autocorrelation. Next is the 86 is Laplace transformation. Two very different signal may be identical algebraic expression XS. Which one of the following is the distinguishing them? Which one of the following distinguishing them? So this is the region of convergence. Region of convergence will be distinguished between the two identical signal. Next is Laplace transform of the, so Laplace transform is the f of t e to the power minus st dt. So if you put that u t minus a e to the power minus st dt and t prime equal to t minus a, and if you convert it, so dt prime equal to dt, so now it is u t prime e to the power minus st prime and e to the power minus sa. So this sa will be come out, so option will be a will be correct. Next question is the, if fs is the Laplace transformation of the function ft, so limit s tends to infinity, fs will be, so limit s tends to infinity, fs it will be 0 in Laplace transformation, that's it will be valid. Then the Parseval theorem of the energy of a spectrum is equal to the, so Parseval theorem is means energy in a time domain equal to energy in the frequency domain. So it is the square of the magnitude of the signal, square of the magnitude of the signal, square of magnitude of the signal in time domain equal to frequency domain. So this is the Parseval theorem. Next is the, which one of the following process is not use the power spectrum in digital signal processing? This question I have doubt, because the power spectrum of in digital not used, so I will not answer it. I can't answer it. I will not know. I can't answer it. So the continuous time unit step function is defined as, so x, so function fx is defined as 1 0, x greater than 0 and x less than 0, then del u del x. So del u del x, so x equal to 0 0, if you see that function is like this, sorry, function is like this. So this is the fx and this is the x. At x equal to 0, it is the infinite, it will be delta function. So its derivative, its change is du is huge change at x equal to 0. So it will give the delta function. Thanks for watching this video, and if you find helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel and for our future course.